Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we were discussing about the types of agriculture. As I told you, they have the two types, subsistence agriculture and commercial agriculture. And in previous lecture, we have done subsistence agriculture and their types like nomadic herding, shifting agriculture, and intensive subsistence agriculture. Today, we will discuss about the commercial agriculture. Commercial means something which is associated with business, with profit. So basically, commercial agriculture is the opposite of subsistence agriculture. Commercial agriculture is typically done on a very large scale with the purpose of selling the produce in the market to make profit. So this type of farming is done with sale as the main purpose. Therefore, farmers select and sow a single crop according to the natural and market condition. According to natural condition, whatever geographical conditions are there in particular area and what were the demands in market, according to this, farmers select any single crop. So this type of agriculture broadly divided into extensive agriculture, plantation agriculture, livestock ranching and dairy farming. So we will discuss one by one. First, extensive agriculture. Extensive agriculture, it is practiced in developed countries such as Australia, Canada, Russia and USA. In extensive agriculture, agriculture is done on a very large scale, on big land holding, big area by using the modern machine. They use the machine basically. And it is generally practiced in sparsely populated region where the population is less. In particular area, extensive agriculture are done by the farmers. So sparsely populated region they selected for the extensive agriculture where land is available in abundance and the input of labor is less. Means in extensive agriculture they use more modern machine as compared to labor. Total production is large but per hectare yield is comparatively very less. As I told you, farmers mostly raise one or two crops a year for marketing. The main crops like corn, oats, wheat and oilseeds. These are the main crops of extensive agriculture. And extensive agriculture, proper storage facilities are required. So these all about the extensive agriculture. What do you mean by the mixed farming? When animals are reared along the cultivation of land, two things combined. First, animals are reared and second, cultivation of land. So, when animals are reared along with the cultivation of land, it is known as mixed farming. In mixed farming, both food crops and fodder are cultivated. And this gave a boost to the income of the farmers. Naturally, income of the farmers are increasing day by day when they are using the mixed farming or they are doing a mixed farming. So many parts in the world the mixed farming are done. For example, Argentina, Eastern USA, New Zealand, South Africa, Southeast Asia, including India, Southeast Australia, and Western Europe. Here, the mixed farming is common. I hope you have understood about the extensive agriculture and mixed farming. In next video, we will discuss about the plantation agriculture and livestock ranching, and of course dairy farming. Thank you and have a nice day.